A lost cultural identity is like losing your foundation of who you are in the first place. But it's not too late to pick up the pieces again, like a mother guiding her children in the right direction. Or a grandson being there for his grandmother, uphold her identity even at her old age. The tiny tots to carry on the legacy. And the younger generation to light the beacon for all of us. Welcome to social media, everyone, and I bring you ShadsukMynsiem on the dance of the joyful hearts. To those of you who are unfamiliar with ShadsukMynsiem, here's a perspective from the president from ShadsukMynsiem and Mawroh presenting Cultural Community Sengkasi Mawlai.
ShadsukMynsiem jong di kesatnya jomi kon kasih hara. Namar ba krik sat ayu si sin sisnyam ha ga bede balau nong bu nong thau ubala ai terhai ye baro nak benta jomi kon bindri entah kon bajing sungu ni pen pau kata kajing kemen lembah ni ShadsukMynsiem syau trai rat nong bu nong thau.
Kene kene ShadsukMynsiem kebangi jo aingu ublai trekan nong bu nong thau shisin sisnem haman lau snem ti ngim dan ai ban ai u kan rat yikjing thesai yikjing ai jong kan rat rei dei tangkani ShadsukMynsiem hi kebangi la banle ke bro khoi kata kolong ba in ai kata kangu kadem kadawai ke prat ShadsukMynsiem ke ban pu ban pheng long kejing ai mar kliang ublai kumba ublai ula thesai ni.
It's great to see younger generations taking part in such festivities, especially with the influence of foreign cultures through social media and television. Here's a mother adding her final touch to her daughter's crown to be ready for the dance. And here are the elders helping the younger ones with their headgear, also known as the spong in the Khasi language. To tell us more about the accessories and the ornaments, here is Shai Borlang Marbanyang.
Dia desain tentang paila, ni kejiri thaba, kejiri singkai, kene keringkam, ni keringkam, ni kejan spang, kene kesatipang, kene kebo, kene kawan, simpia mutuya. Tang kita.
Pet ngalada spam.
Saisin mut benong ba ngakwa ba kisamla khamtam ek bedang dan hakanyam trai hakanyam khasi jongin nyam tre ngakwa ba maki kinya mi renti kata kolong dak jing penek pensa ka jongi dak karyam kabai kabapaka kaba ifu iping kabalong kumni nadu karyam kentai senrang ti sungutanat benong kawai kumamangi dang bat dang so ngindang la ban penek ila ka jong kanyam ila ka jong korukom ngin bat ngin rihok yaki nadu karyam kabaik nadu kaksiar kurupa usam pia utuya kesem kokup bat kunta teter ngakantung kan pham ikipar do kipar snam kipar seng jongi kham tame bakinemi saprang sakmat ban peni ban sei laki jong karyam kabaik ban peni ka jong kari tu store khnang ba mangi nginang la banginang tei ya kalawai jong kajai bare jongi kham tam hakanyam jongi.
Early in the day, before the dance started, the high priest have given some form of offering to please the god and pray to him for a good harvest in the year ahead. Some of you may wonder who may take part and who may not take part in this dance festival, and to explain that to you, we have Ms. ShadsukMynsiem Rinja.
Nanginimut ba bansat kalong bet ya barokhat hindi kamlong kum tama ya kisinrang kamdan kata kanu kakendon namar kisinrang kum bekijuong rangkhat arbor kila bansat bet man kapor ha te ya ki kinthai pan ka kisi ong dai ba ya ki kinthai sati kila ban sim benta hakanika sat te kumta ngasu ka ban ong epi baro ba subha banda wan long phin wan tingkat baka niam banda perkhat bha kain sapang kata.
What you're seeing here is a full display of the women's attire for the dance. That's the jewelry in gold and silver, the banskyat or the crown on the head, along with other accessories worn by the Khasi women during the dance. At this moment, I want you to immerse yourself in the sounds and sights of ShadsukMynsiem. If you're not proud of your culture, which is so rich and diverse, what should you be proud of? My culture gives me my identity, my foundation, my origin, and my pride. As an individual, I'm sure you have your own culture, your own background. The main question is, what are the things that you do every day that upholds that? Is it the food that you eat, the clothes that you wear, the value systems, the festivals, or the language that you speak? Because the future generation depends on us now to secure and preserve our own identity.
Hi folks, if you are still watching this video, thank you so much for giving me your time. First and foremost, a very happy ShadsukMynsiem to each and every one of you, and may this year brings you good health and happiness. Well, this video is special to me. I felt very emotional when I was shooting this video because one intention of shooting this video is to encourage our younger generation to uphold their culture. It could be through the food they eat, the language, the clothes they wear, or any other value systems. So I request all of you younger generations out there, the Khasi younger generation, to please uphold your identity or your cultural heritage, and it's something that you should be very, very proud of. With that being said, some of you may be asking me, it's kind of ironic for me to speak in English rather than Khasi, but let's be honest, this is for the world to see. And as much as I'm able to promote my own culture and heritage, I'm glad to do it in any language suitable to the audience watching this. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant day.